Now it's up to the swords.
Swords? Swords? Oh no! Kay,
What?
I forgot your sword.
Forgot my sword?
I left it back at the inn.
Why, you bungling little fool. You better get it, or don't you dare come back.
Let me in! Somebody, please, let me in!
It's no use, boy. They've all gone to the tournament.
Oh, what'll I do? Kay's got to have a sword.
Look, boy, look. They're in the churchyard.
A sword! Oh, Archimedes, a sword!
You're going to have a time pulling it out. Watch it, boy. Better leave it alone.
But Kay's got to have a sword.
Now, come on, quick. Let's get out of here.